Bago ang lahat, ayon sa mga ulat, nagiging open daw si LaMelo Ball sa idea ng trade dahil paulit-ulit na rebuilding ang Hornets at wala pa ring clear direction. Oo, malakas si LaMelo, young, flashy, at potential franchise superstar, pero sayang yung prime niya kung walang winning culture sa paligid. Ngayon, hindi pa ito confirmed trade request pero tandaan, ganito rin nagsimula ang ibang big moves sa NBA. Unang possible destination, San Antonio Spurs. Imagine mo to mga idol, LaMelo Ball with Victor Wembanyama, dalawang generational talents sa isang team. Bakit swak? Spurs need a true lead guard. Wemby pick and roll nightmare. Possible trade package. Spurs send young players plus future picks. Hornets get assets para sa rebuild. Kung mangyari ito, automatic top 5 league pass team ang Spurs. Next, syempre hindi mawawala, Los Angeles Lakers. Alam naman natin, may Ball family history sa LA. Bakit possible? Lakers need a young star post-LeBron era. LaMelo fits with LeBron at Luka kung hindi ma-trade. Big market plus star power. Perfect storyline. Pero reality check, limited draft picks ang Lakers. Charlotte may prefer long-term rebuild tools. Pero kung may team na laging may paraan, alam na natin kung sino yon, LA Magic. Third landing spot, Miami Heat. Culture, plus discipline, plus star potential. Perfect match. Why it works. Heat need a dynamic point guard. Fits Spoelstra system. Possible concern. Miami usually won't overpay. Hornets may demand too much. Pero admit it, LaMelo in Miami, box office. Fourth team, Chicago Bulls. Marami na silang rumors including a possible rebuild. Why it makes sense. Bulls need a new franchise face. LaMelo plus young core. Fresh start. Kung papasok si LaMelo, instant excitement ulit ang Windy City. Last but not least, Orlando Magic. Silent but dangerous. Why realistic? Tons of young talent plus draft picks. Paolo plus Franz plus LaMelo. Future super team. Orlando trending upward already. Kung makuha nila si LaMelo, pwede na silang maging legit contender sa East in 2 to 3 years. So ayun mga kabasketbolista, 5 sa pinaka-realistic na landing spots ni LaMelo Ball kung matuloy ang trade. Tanong ko ngayon sa inyo, saan team nyo gustong mapunta si LaMelo? Spurs, Lakers, Miami? Comment nyo sa baba. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more NBA updates daily. Kita Kits Ulit. Peace out.